Welcome everyone. In this video, I'm going to show my product, which is PPS. It's a website or a web application that used to solve an existing issue in an existing system called RMS. RMS is a reservation management system. We use it in travel, Hajj and Umrah services to create invoices and manage the company workflow as invoicing. And for example, this is an full package or a quotation for Umrah in Saudi Arabia. And the salesman and sales manager has an issue in the system, which is they can't produce the right calculations for different scenarios. Here we can see that the same hotel is repeated three times, more three times, or extra three times because in this invoice we got the rooms from different suppliers and the system doesn't handle this correctly. And that's why I managed to make a bridge to the RMS. From here, you can see that I can press here and enter my credentials for the RMS. This is legally and doesn't hack anything. They give us a username and password and use it, and I am using it with a proxy on Firebase. I made a proxy that um, send and receive data between the original system, which is RMS, and PPS. I can export as JSON. I can sync to directly to Superbase, and for this project, especially using Superbase and Firebase. And now I can go clients. I can view all. No, I didn't complete this because all the project has been paused and not continue developing it. But anyway, I can show you this invoice 24. This is the typical for 2102, and this is 2102 or 2102. Um, as you see here, the total is 427,254. This is the RMS, which is typical to it, but it's just different one halala in Saudi Arabia. But if we go here to print and print with this mode, simple mode, I can find here this hotel. It just mentioned once with one time 3 nights. Also, the quantity of the rooms doesn't repeat itself, so the packs doesn't duplicate. And this was an issue for RMS, or I think something like this. Anyway, I fixed it, and now you see the total, the rooms showing as my sales manager wanted. Uh, and that's it. This was my task to solve an issue in this RMS system, which is working on, were developed by 24 or 23 engineer, I think. And I did it this by my own, and I'm showing this for the new recruiter or new company that I'm going to work on it. If, if you're watching this video, are you sure you're watching it on my CV? And if you see the Arabic version or English version, anyway, it's the same. I'm trying to show you what I did. The system is much more than that because there's something related to number of packs, the way that you enter the data, warnings if you enter some different packs like this. Total packs it mean persons. In Mecca is 105, different from Medina 107, and this is very, very, very hard and challenging to do and achieve. And alhamdulillah, I did it. And this was a little bit a brief about my task in the PPS. So of course it's a demo. I think you can find a link in the description or in the website in the portfolio to check and see if this what you like. Of course, there is the localization is working, and also you can check in my CV also, or next video or the previous video. This is my main task in the company, which is reservation tracking system. It's a system for tracking reservations in the company. You can see, for example, here it's built with Flutter and with very good performance. You can check every request with a timeline. You can change the responsible for it. You can add calibrators. You can update. And of course, I choose Flutter because it's very good framework for for cross-platform um, applications. And the one who is going to use the system, they most of the time in the Medan, and they don't have time to open a PC or a laptop, so they need to use it on the web or in the Android or iOS. Of course, I didn't publish it yet on the App Store because, you know, sometimes company, um, I don't know, we stuck in the end of the way in the route, and we didn't complete the PPS or the RTS, and that's it for now. I hope if you seen this video, you show you got the newer version of this RTS because I'm going to complete it anyway. That's it. Thank you for watching and see you next company, I think. Bye.